Hi, this is Mr. Sir. Miss Missy. We are talking about EarJoy. Apparently, Mr. Sir needs some peace and quiet. I don't know why. At any rate, this is a nice little package. Cute. Adorable. EarJoy is carefully designed to protect your ears from harmful noise levels at loud events. These are manufactured soft silicone that fits neatly into your ear canal and are comfortable for prolonged wear. Well, let's see how these work. The packaging is nice, and on the back it's how to use, warning, and cleaning. Wow. Clean your earplugs using soft, damp cloth. They are particularly dirty. Gently remove the filters and wash them using warm, soapy water. I hope they're not particularly dirty. You're washing your own earplugs. That's for sure. Alright. Inside, we have one set of little earplugs. Little round ones. Look like missiles. And we got little squiggly ones, and we got more little squiggly ones each. And we have one more, and these are, they look like mints. I guess we don't eat these.
No?
Mm-mm.
You want to try it?
You can try it. Oh, they're squishy. Look. They're squishy.
Don't try this at home.
Right? So anyway, my sir over here is going to see if this reduces his noise level before he does something drastic to me to make me shut up. Can you hear me? Hello? I'm going to try. Let me see. I want to try one. Let me try these. They didn't work on you? Ew! You already got earwax on them. Ew!
Better.
Okay, well, that is
and she
yours.
Won't touch your stuff.
And this one's mine. You spit.
What?
Can you hear? Hello? Can you hear out of that one? Ooh, this is really cool. Wow. This one. Yeah, this is pretty darn quiet. Alright, yeah. So, looks like we are going to have a winner for me. Is that one. The little shorter one. Can you hear me? Here. You look like some alien. Nanu, nanu. You got little things coming out here. My sir.
Bad thing. Ooh. That's not fun.
Hello.
Nanu, nanu.
Nanu, nanu.
Anyway. Keep down the noise on your wife. Try these. May not fit the best for you. Might have these. If your wife is really annoying, I recommend doubling up. Buy 2 sets.
Alright, I'm going to try these, the gummy ones. Now, I guess you squish them, and you shove them, you shove them in. So maybe they can.
All you Trekkies out there might love this.
Oh my. I don't have to listen to you anymore. Never again.
Can you hear yourself?
Yeah, I can hear you, but
Can you hear you?
here, let's see. Try again. Ooh, I'm
Hello?
loud.
My hands are right here. I'm not touching. Say hi, Mom. Alright, this
All right.
is where you want it.
I think we have another winner, and it's the gummy ones. And they're a little
I'll give you
tough to
mine
get
then.
out. There we go.
Ew.
That's my ear canal. It looks like a little bird, a blue jay. Okay, people. It also comes with a myearjoy.com informational thing. Oh, and it says in the gift section, you will receive your guaranteed gift. You get a free gift if you get these. Now, I believe these were less than $10 for all of these. Pretty cool. Thank you.
I have a check.
Bye. Next time. See ya.